Dangote came to make profits. He used Nigeria resources, Nigeria's forex, Nigeria's bureaucracy, Nigeria's governors, president to build a refinery. He even packed all of them inside a bus to go and launch the refinery when the refinery was not producing a drop of water. Buhari, all of them. I was probably the only politician who did not attend his refinery. And when I say politician, politically exposed person, I don't see myself as a politician. And we're telling you then that the refinery was not built for you. If you want fuel prices or petrol or gasoline price to go down, go and build or fix your refinery. You cannot help an individual to build a refinery and tell me you can't build one for yourself. It's just like helping somebody to build a house with your money, with your sweat, and then you decided to become his tenant. And you are complaining when he now says that he's increasing his rent. That, oh, Sibi, I helped you. Why are you increasing the rent? What do you expect him to do? One day, not only will he increase his rent, he's going to send you packing. And how Dangote is going to send you packing is that futuristically, his refinery is going to become a burden to your health. One day, his refinery might catch fire. I'm telling you, I'm not wishing it on him. And it will burn all the villages around him. His refinery is going to pollute your water, your air. Because one of the things I went with the Dangote refinery is that I don't think that any environmental impact assessment was done because everybody who was supposed to do it was in his back pocket. So you are going to regret that in the future as well. So you better know that now. The fuel prices, gasoline prices going up is not even the worst thing that will come out of the place. It's the environmental impact that is awaiting your lungs, your children, and the future of the environment that you should be crying about.